Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the device supports voice password features and secure credential storage. This prevents enrollment failures. Once confirmed, make sure microphone access is granted and your account password is nearby for verification. Now open Settings, go to Security, then select Voice Password Setup. Speak naturally for the initial sample. Avoid loud background noise because the system captures tone and cadence. Once the first sample records, you'll immediately repeat a couple more phrases to build a reliable voice model for authentication. You'll now record multiple phrases to train the voice model, read each prompt clearly at a normal pace, and use varied intonation so the system learns natural variation. Make sure to record 6-8 unique phrases as prompted. This reduces false accepts. After each phrase, review the waveform or quality indicator and re-record any that show clipping or background noise. Once the set completes, the device runs a quality check and builds a template. This is why careful, consistent speech yields faster, more accurate unlocks. Once training finishes, enable voice unlock and immediately set a fallback method like PIN or password for safety. You should test unlocking 3 times in environments where you'll normally use it: quiet room, moderate background noise, and outdoors, to confirm reliability. If the system fails often, re-enroll with fresh samples, adjust microphone sensitivity, and remove nearby noise sources. These steps resolve most problems. Finally, make sure to periodically retrain if your voice changes due to illness or significant ambient shifts to keep accuracy high.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.